1, 2, cross body, inside turn. 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This the first time I let go of my follows left arm. 7, I'm gonna do it this way. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, inside turn. 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Make sure when you get it into this position, the leads should still be in front, not behind the follow. They should stay here. So if I use my cross back technique this way, I want to make sure that as I finish, I'm still in front. Instead of finishing here, stay behind. Yes, then we turn 5, 6, 7. Then we do the hammer lock, 5. Whichever technique you use, hook technique or crossbody technique. 3, hammer lock. 7, make sure you get the hand out. 7, open break. When you do open break, please don't do this. This is too much. Keep your body straight. You should never feel like you're doing this as you step back. It's just this. 1, 3, and 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Do it from this other way. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes.